What can I do if EA Play is not working on my PS4?
Hello there. If you're having trouble getting EA Play to work on your PlayStation 4, you've come to the right place. Today, we will walk you through a range of solutions that could get your EA Play back on track.
Check your EA Play subscription status.
The first thing you want to do is make sure your EA Play subscription is active. If your subscription has expired or there's an issue with your payment method, EA Play may not work. Log into your EA account and check your subscription status to ensure it's active and your payment details are up to date.
Verify your internet connection.
A poor or unstable internet connection could also be causing problems with EA Play. You'll want to check your network settings on your PS4 and make sure you're connected to the internet. You may also want to try restarting your router or modem.
Ensure your PS4 system software is up to date.
Sometimes, outdated system software can cause issues with apps like EA Play. Check for any system software updates for your PS4 and install them if available.
Reinstall EA Play App.
If the above solutions don't resolve the issue, you might want to try uninstalling and reinstalling the EA Play app on your PS4. This can often resolve any software glitches that might be causing the problem. To do this, highlight the app on your PS4 home screen, press the Options button on your controller, and select Delete. Then, go to the PlayStation Store to download and reinstall the app.
Contact EA Support.
If none of the above steps resolve the issue, your final recourse should be to reach out to EA Support. They can help diagnose and troubleshoot any potential issues with your EA Play on PS4. We hope this guide helps you get back to enjoying EA Play on your PS4. Remember, it's always important to keep your system software and apps up to date, and to ensure your internet connection is stable. Don't hesitate to reach out to EA Support if you continue to experience issues. Happy gaming!